Time's up for Missouri senator who called for Trump assassination. Times and run out for the Missouri state senators who took to social media to show her support for a Trump assassination. Maria Chapel Nadal has now been told to either resign by the veto session time or she will be expelled. Either way, she is done. Once again, we see a violent liberal who is unable to control their emotions, ruin their life and careers because they can't accept the outcome of a fair American election. The left is violent, hateful, and insane. Jeffrey City Mo, Lieutenant Governor Mike Parsons says he can and will expel State Senator Maria Chapel Nadal from the Missouri legislatures if she doesn't resign following comments made about President Trump on Facebook. Parsons, whose positions also makes him president of the Missouri State Senate, is calling for the expulsion Nadal under Article 3 of the Missouri Constitution, but he hopes she will do the responsible things first. Early Thursday morning, Democratic Senator Chapel Nadal wrote up Facebook comments in response to a post that suggested Vice President Mike Pence would try to have Trump removed from office, where she said, "I hope Trump is assassinated." The comment was later deleted. Chapel Nadal later told Fox 2 who says she did not mean what she posted but was frustrated with the president's reaction to the violence last weekend in Charlottesville, Virginia. She has said she has no intention of resigning over the comment. To me, there is a way to remove her from the office, but what I think she should do is take responsibility for her action is in states of Missouri and resign as a state senator, said Parsons. Parsons adds that her Facebook post hoping that President Trump would be assassinated takes things to a new level. I have the ability and right to call on my fellow senators to have her expelled from the Missouri Senate, which I plan to do if she does not resign by the veto session. That veto session starts September 15, 2017. Once it does, senators would call for a special session to vote on Nadal's expulsion. They would need a two-thirds majority of the vote to succeed. I would be disappointed if Missouri senators of these states did not vote to expel her from Senate. I do not think that's the message we want to send to people of Missouri. As far as the historical significance of what Parson intends on doing, he says they are checking, but don't think this has ever been done in Missouri. However, it has been used in other states. You are held to a higher standards if you like it or not. That is what we do. If we don't hold ourselves to that higher standards, we are doomed to fail. On Friday, Governor Eric Greitens also responded to the Chapel's Nadal Facebook post with a statement saying, Senator Chapel Nadal said she hopes the president is killed. Republicans and Democrats have called on her to resign. Her response, "Hello, no." Last night in an interview, she refused to apologize. If she will not resign, the Senate can vote to remove her. I believe they should. M.A. Moreno is a published author. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.